Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna present you my newest Nike Air Force 1 Shadow. Those are one of my most favorite Nikes at the moment, and I've gotten them also very recently, and I really want to show them to you. So this is the cool box they come in. It's like in all black with the Nike logo, and here you can see I've gotten them in size 7, so this is my size. I paid 130 euros for them, and now I'm gonna show them to you. So guys, here is the shoe, which is so girly. I will talk a little bit about the coloring of this shoe because I think it's so special, and this is one of the biggest motives that I bought this shoe actually is this coloring. Like, I am in love with these beautiful brown shades. You can see all around the shoe, you can find these beautiful brown colors which suits to almost every outfit, and also in combination with this girly pinky style. It's like really my style, which is like one of my most favorite shoes at the moment. I think this shoe is very girly but also very classy at the same time. You can wear it even with a little dress, or of course with jeans, or with a pair of beautiful leggings. It looks so nice. I will show you at the end of the video how I am styling this shoe. But yeah, also what I really love about it is that the laces are also in this beautiful brown coloring, which you can find all over the shoe. And also here at the back of the shoe you can see the Nike logo and also Air written in brown, which I find so nice and so fashionable. Also the shoe, as you can see, has a ivory white sole, which is super cool. And also here you can see the Nike logo in like black, but very shiny black, so it's really nice to look at. Also what I really like is here you can see the Air Force 1 logo written in silver on the brown, and I think all in all this shoe is an eye catcher. Every time I look at it I really want to wear it, so I will do it very soon. I will just take this thing here out and also show you the inside. There is also Nike written inside, also very nice. And yeah, all in all, I think that all Air Force 1 shoes are so comfortable, so this is why I always get a pair, because I think as a mom especially, I always need to be very comfortable. I need to just slip in and go outside, and this is the perfect shoe for this, guys. So yeah, this is the newest Air Force 1 Shadow shoe. I will show it to you as a pair. So this is the pair, guys. Also from the other side you can see this is such a beautiful and cool shoe. Also Air Force 1 I would recommend to everyone. This is like a typical original Nike shoe which you can style so easily, and I will show this to you now. So guys, this is how I like to style my Nike Air Force shoes, with a beautiful jeans and also my Nike t-shirt. So it's very simple and casual. This is the side with the black Nike logo, and on the inside you can find the pink logo, which I think is so girly and nice. Also this shoe I will show you from the back, where you can also see the Nike written on the pink. And yeah, all in all, a very beautiful shoe. I really like to wear it. It's so comfortable. It has such a soft sole, and I feel like I could run in them a mile. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like my videos and my channel, please like it, subscribe and share it.